In this tutorial, we will be learning how to make a wallet out of a used beverage carton. You will need a penknife, a pair of scissors, a pen, a ruler, and an empty beverage carton that has been rinsed and dried. First, slice off the base of the carton, cutting as closely to the edge as possible. Cut down the length of the carton on the side without the cap. And you should get a flat piece of cardboard. Each UBC wallet can be used as a template to replicate more wallets. Trace the template, then cut the shape up. Don't forget to trace and replicate the hole. Make incisions using a penknife. Then insert the scissors through the bottom of the hole, then cut along the line. Now we are ready to fold the wallet. Using a ruler, fold both wings of the carton to the center. Open the carton and fold the wings horizontally. Now, fold each quadrant into half. Each wing should now have 4 segments. Working on one segment at a time, carefully pinch the edges together to form a crease down the middle of each segment. Repeat the action for all segments. Repeat the action for the opposite wing. Now that there are 8 segments on each wing, gather the edges. Fold the flap over the mouth of the carton. And your UBC wallet is done.